ओके सो दैट वाज इट। मैं आपसे मिलती हूँ अगली बार एक नए प्रोडक्ट के साथ। तब तक आप लोग अपना ध्यान रखिएगा एंड आई लव यू ऑल। Okay, as I have done a lot of videos on YouTube, and in most of my videos I apply a lot of makeup, and in some videos I have not applied makeup, but mostly I apply a lot of makeup. And today I'll show you what I'm using nowadays on my face as a face wash, which has really helped me in making my skin look and feel a little better. Okay, this is the product. But wait, the product is not matching my top. I have to change it. Okay, so I have changed the top matching the product. Okay, so what this basically is this is a face wash from the brand Himalaya, and this is the Himalaya Fresh Start face wash, and this has blueberry, and this is specially meant for people with oily skin. And currently the weather here in Delhi is so humid, it is uncomfortably humid. Our face keeps sweating, so something like this is really good because this actually is an oil flare face wash, so this is really good. Okay, so this says goodbye oily skin, hello fresh face. Wow. Okay, this has natural beads also. This has a beady texture, so that means this will exfoliate your face as well. Apart from just regular cleaning, this will exfoliate. So the packaging is really very cute, and this retails for 75 rupees, and this is 50 ml in quantity. And also the packaging is very cute, as I told you, it is written very cutely over here, like who am I am Fresh Start Oil Clear Face Wash from Himalaya with the energizing power of luscious blueberry. I help you kickstart your day with an oil clear, fresh look. What do I do? Okay, I'm specially formulated with an effective blend of blueberry, gooseberry, and natural beads. I remove excess oil and impurities, leaving your face soft, healthy, and fresh. Okay, feel happy using me. Moisten face, apply appropriate quantity of face wash and gently work up as a lather using circular motion. Wash off. Okay, so that is the technique of using this, and I have used this quite a few times, and this really feels good. It will be best if you use it after waking up in the morning. You can, because when you wake up in the morning, your skin feels a little oily, especially the T zone. Like if your T zone is a little oily, that means you have a combination skin. Yeah. So it is very important. It will be very beneficial if you use this in the morning just after waking up. So I'll be washing my face using this, but first of all, if you have applied makeup on your face, it is very important to remove your makeup and then wash your face. Never wash your face directly with makeup on, because that will clog the pores. Clogging of pores can give you serious problems such as acne, pimples, etc., etc. So make sure you remove your makeup. After that, wash your face. So I'll be using this Garnier micellar water to remove my makeup. So let's remove it quickly. I will show you the texture of this one. This has small white beads that will help in exfoliation. Okay, so let me remove my makeup first of all. I am not very I can use any makeup remover, and even if I don't have a makeup remover, I'll use a coconut oil or anything. But yeah, I keep on changing makeup removers. I also used to use makeup removing wipes, but then now I'm using this micellar water to remove my makeup. My makeup, and now I'll be using this to clean my face. Come on. Okay, so this is the face wash, the Himalaya face wash, and yeah, so this smells amazing. Amazing is the word. Citrusy, fresh, energetic kind of a fragrance. And I'll have to wet my face just as you apply any face wash. I have to wet my face and then just take a little of this. Okay. Yeah. The texture is quite beady, if you can see, and this lathers a lot, so this gives a nice fresh feeling, like a clean feeling. I'm rubbing my face so hard. Oh god. Okay, okay. So skin actually feels quite exfoliated after using this, because the beads, they really help in exfoliation. So after washing it off, there's no oily residue. So this is perfect for oily skin people, and this is good for them because there is no oily residue at all, no sticky feeling. Yeah. So face is looking fresh, I guess. Yeah, not bad. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care. Bye bye.